This is the crazy Nepali hack. How to make purple grape. Here you have a coconut, fresh from the market. What you first do is put the knife down and then shake it. And after you have done shaking, cut it with the knife that you put down. "15 minutes later. Finally, I've cut the coconut. You can see the cut here. See? Now I am going to open it. See? Grape. Purple grape. And that's how you get purple grape in Nepal. Really tasty. It's like grape but coconut, if you know what I mean.